Guys, kain tayo guys. Tanghalian guys. Lunch namin to guys. Yan o. Insaladang talbos na may kamatis at luya sili guys. Bagong isda. Ito guys. Sarap to guys. Lagang talbos na may kamatis at sili, loya. Insalada, bagong isda. Lamig guys. Ito naman guys, kanin at daing na tuyo. Yung taba na pork chop guys. Naunta guys. Naunta. Lamig guys o talbos. Talbos na nilaga. Na may kamatis at luya. Bagong isda. Sili. Daing.
These are not even good. These are all comments. Like, what is going on? I've been walking for so long. What's happening?
Yo guys, ano ulam gusto tanghalian guys?
That helps with anything. I don't know. Oh my god, there is a tornado.
Ito guys, lamig ang talbos guys.
That's different. Okay, so I have this job form, right?
May kamatis at
Mobile player on Roblox Rival. His name is Prime Jet. And when I tell you
bagoong isda. Sili.
I know he doesn't have a win streak right now, but look at his level 563. So we're gonna run out some duos, and we're gonna absolutely destroy everyone on Rivals. So if you're playing Rivals right now, I really feel bad for you. Alright, our first match, we're going against two controller players, and they both got a screen mask on.
Lamig guys.
So these dudes are gonna have some chemistry, and they might
Ang
be good.
talbos.
So hopefully this dude actually helps me get a win. Now sit back.
Saladang talbos.
Hit him. Oh yeah, he's burning, but he's still not that good. Oh wait, he's dead. No, don't worry, buddy. I'll clutch it up for you. I'll clutch it up for you, buddy. Bro, how'd he knife him? What the heck? All right.
Kamatis.
Okay. Now I know he's the best mobile
Luya.
player, but I just carried him right there. Let's go, let's go. Uh-oh, I'm weak, bro. I'm weak. This is all you. Oh, I killed one. You died again? Are you kidding me? No! Oh my goodness, bro. Come on.
Lamig talaga guys pag ganitong pagkain. Mga gulay.
Because it's 1-1 right now. It's 1-1. Don't even burn it. I gotta burn it. Let's go. Where's the end? Oh, let's go!
Kanin ba? Ito guys, pork chop to all mga aking bunso. Ayaw niya ng taba eh. Akin na lang daw yung taba.
That's how I knew. Alright, I got snipes. Oh no. Oh, let's go. Perfect satchel. I got you, bro. They satcheled you. I satcheled them right back. Don't you even worry about it, buddy. Let's go. He's pushing. Oh, don't worry. We're good. I'm burning one. Got one. Oh yeah, he did. Oh yeah. Let's go. We're going crazy. It's 4-2. It's over right here. Oh, he's weak.
Daing tuyo.